7608 Eclat. Garage frame looks good to me. Okay, so we have one type of tile at the entry that flows into the powder room. The paint smells new. We do have verticals, so I'm just going to start counting the windows. We generally like to put the 2.5 inch forward blinds, so we're at window 3. Let's count these as one window. So 4. Probably get some rocks installed back here. Ooh. Five, 6, 7. 2 verticals, oh no, 2 doors, okay. So 8 windows and 2 doors downstairs. This is a spacious kitchen, laminate counters. Gas, so it would be a gas dryer. Nine windows downstairs. Lots of storage. Carpet looks new. This color hides a lot of stains and dirt. It's nice to have. Upstairs we have one window. The condition of the paint and the carpet is good in this room. 3 windows. Condition is the same in this room. Cabinets look fine. This is nice that the tub and the shower are separate from the sink area, so you can have 2 people in here at once. Use the shower rod in that tub. Large master, tile in the wet areas, large closet. A little bit of wear on that cabinet, nothing serious. We have 3 windows in this bathroom. A little bit of damage on the laminate there. And that's it.